we want to integrate the square root of x cubed minus 3 all over x to the 11th. Let's break this up into two fractions. We have x cubed over x to the 11th minus 3 over x to the 11th. So that's going to be 1 over x to the 8th minus 3 over x to the 11th. So I can factor out a 1 over x to the 8th from both of those, and I have 1 minus 3 over x cubed. The 1 over x to the 8th is going to come outside of the square root as 1 over x to the 4th. And so now we could just use a u substitution. Let u equal negative 3 over x cubed. du is 9 over x to the 4th dx. But I have 1 over x to the 4th dx, so I have to divide both sides by 9. So the integral square root of 1 plus u times du over 9. From here, I'm going to make another substitution. I'm going to let v equal 1 plus u, so dv equals du. The 1/9 comes outside the integral, and then I have the integral of square root of v dv. Integrating that, we get 2 over 27 times v to the 3/2 power plus c. But we said that v was 1 plus u, so it's 2 over 27 times 1 plus u raised to 3/2 power plus c. And then finally, we said u was negative 3 over x cubed. So we substitute that back and get 2 over 27 times 1 minus 3 over x cubed raised to 3/2 power plus c.